Hello everyone. So today I would teach you guys how to access LinkedIn Learning from the one.sgsu platform. So just go to this link up here, one.sgsu.edu, right? And then sign in. So I'm just going to sign in and then um, do the activation using Duo. So let's just give it a minute. My internet is a bit slow today, so all right. All right, so we're in. And then all I need you to do is up here in the search bar, just type LinkedIn Learning. And this is it here. So basically, this is where you can go to get free online courses, right? If you're interested in data science, data engineering, data analytics, business analytics, and all those different things, you have so many free courses on LinkedIn Learning. And since you've paid for this already in your tuition, you don't have to pay on any other website to get some of those courses. But to access it, you must sign in through the one.sgsu platform. So I'm going to click on it now. And this is where it brings me, right? LinkedIn Learning. So all I need to do is click Start. Now, the next thing you need to do is to sign into your LinkedIn account, right? If you don't have a LinkedIn account, I highly encourage that you create one, right? It's the best place for you to network with your colleagues because it's a professional platform. It's not like TikTok or Instagram or those other social media platforms, right? You could also network with recruiters. You could see job postings for internships and full-time opportunities and stuff like that. And then if you're interested in networking with me, this is a good place, right? So I'm just going to put in my LinkedIn details there. Just give me a minute. All right, so we're in. Okay, so this is how your LinkedIn Learning would look like once you're logged in, right? You can see all the classes, any class you want to take, right? It's all here and it's free, right? You could also take classes in SQL. Hopefully, as we progress in the class, I'll tell you guys about SQL and what it's used for, right? You could also take classes around Python and stuff like that. But for today, the class we're interested in is called Learning R, right? I want you guys to use this little period before the class officially starts to kind of understand what R is, because that's the software we will be using for this class, right? So it's this very first one here, Learning R. Just click on it. And then all you need to do is watch all the videos, right? Step by step through it, answer whatever quiz questions they have there for each chapter, right? And then at the end, you get a certificate, which you would find somewhere here, right? Related to this course, the certificate. So just click on it, right? Download that certificate and upload it on Canvas, right? I think that should be under class exercise 3. So please do that. I hope this video is helpful in terms of helping you get access into one.sgsu, get access into LinkedIn, and then LinkedIn Learning, and then getting access to this course. The course is called Learning R. If you have any issues, my email address is on Canvas. Grab hold of it and send me an email. And I'm available to jump on a call to help you solve whatever issues you are facing. Thank you.